Alright, we've been working on this frame for a row maker. We've had it for a few years and just bent it and broke some stuff. Broke these off. They was originally bolted on. We come back and just welded them on because we're not adjusting them. We did have it where we could adjust them back and forth, different sizes. But once we got them where we wanted them, we've kind of left them. But we're gonna try out this Yeswelder flux135 this afternoon, and we got a Yeswelder 205 DS and a cut 65 DS. This is what that frame was originally made with, was with the 205. So just kind of picked this other one up off Marketplace. And cheap deal. We're gonna give it a try. So y'all stay tuned. We'll see how it turns out. All right, we swapped over the stick. We'll try it out on it.
It's hot.
It's the stick. This is what he's using right here. 6011 332. Alright, this is it fixed. We had broke these off. We had to weld them back on. Weld on some new nuts here. This here, and this how it turned out. One of the better ones. This is it. I'll do another video of us using it and showing you how it works. It's basically a setup on a farm measurements for the back and front plows. Alrighty. on to the next one. Appreciate y'all watching.